everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids Yoga Freeze Dance. Now, when the music stops, instead of freezing like a statue, you do a yoga pose. Here are lots of ideas of poses you can do, or just choose one that you love doing. Are you ready? Let's dance! You're doing brilliantly! Let's dance it out. Feel the music. Find the rhythm. Enjoy the beat. Let yourself go. Move. Dance. Feel amazing. Wow, we just made a whole bunch of beautiful, really active energy. You take that active energy and you do something positive and kind with it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon for another Yoga Freeze Dance.